where the base should be in singles. Many players are standing center, here. Center from the net to the end line, they are standing at the center. Exactly same distance, half. This is not the right base. Reason number one, if opponent drop from the backcourt 10 times, most of 10 drop shot will land about here or here. This player is at the center. If opponent drop, how many steps I need to take this drop shot? Here, 1, 2. I can take most of drop shots if I stay at the center. Now, important. If opponent hits clear to the back line, I have to get behind the shuttlecock to be able to make a attacking, forcing shot to him. Now, count my steps. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to move 5 steps to take his clear from the center. So look, compare. 1, 2 against 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The player who's standing at the center, to the net, too easy, to the back, too difficult. Player like that, most of times, from the backcourt, he or she will make only defensive shots. Defensive shots. No attacking shots. Logically, waiting at the center is not right. Then where? 1 step back. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the real base in singles is not the center, but 1 step backwards is the real base in singles because of that reasons. Remember, your single base, normal terms, is not center but 1 step backwards. You might challenge me, if you stay there, what happened to the net shot, tight drop shot? Tight drop shot means slow drop shot. No drop shot comes here fast. It will be slow. I have a time to move deeper because it's slow. But if I stay center, what happened? Opponent to do attacking clear, smash clear. I have to do that. I have to do that. I have to do that. If he knows, if she knows you are standing at the center, they will do attacking clear to the backcourt, and you don't have an answer to it.